How to fix Fios remote volume not working. How to fix Fios. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be guiding you on how to fix the Fios remote volume not working. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the solutions. For that, step number 1 is resetting the remote. For that, go ahead and press the menu button on your remote and go to the settings and then choose voice control. After that, select Fios TV voice remote and choose the program Fios TV voice remote. After that, select reset remote setup and confirm the reset by pressing OK. And wait for the message that says remote programming reset success. After that, on step 2, you need to reprogram the remote. After resetting, go back to the program Fios TV voice remote and then select manual setup. Then go ahead and choose your TV brand and model and ensure that the remote is pointed directly at the TV during that process. On step 3, go ahead and check your device power and connections. Ensure that your TV or audio receiver is powered on. If you have devices connected between the setup box and the TV, like an audio receiver, make sure they are also turned on. After that, on step 4, check mute and audio settings. Go ahead and press the mute button to check if the volume responds, and press the menu button on your remote, then navigate to the settings, after that audio and video, and then audio again. After that, check the audio settings to ensure that they are configured correctly. And on step 5, if none of those work, you can consult Verizon support. If the volume still does not work after following these steps, consider reaching out to Verizon support for further assistance, as there are many specific issues related to your TV model or remote version. So that is it. These are the steps you can follow up in order to fix the Fios remote volume not working for now. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.